Today I'm going to be doing the review and install of the Platinum LED high mount stop lamp for the 2014 Mustang. Let's get into it. This is the new one compared against the old red one, and it's going to go well because I have the Euro tail lights. And there it is. So first, what you're gonna need to do is take this trunk cover off. If you had it, you're gonna either use a flathead screwdriver or a plastic pop clip remover. I do not have a pop clip remover, so I'm gonna be using a flathead screwdriver to get off all of these, and you'll just pull this off and it'll be right back here. So like I said, I've got my flathead screwdriver, and what you wanna do is get under that and pry it towards you, and then you can just pull it out if I could get a hold of it, and then it should just come right out like that. Just be careful because these are easy to break, but they're also easy to replace. They're cheap to get on Amazon. You can get a box of a ton of them, but you want to be careful and pry them out carefully. The pop clip remover is best if you have it, but a flathead screwdriver will do the job. I lost that one. So after you have all of your pop clips taken out, you're gonna have to push this just into the carpet and then pull it back. Oh, I forgot one right there. Just get that one real fast. Let's take my flathead and pry it down. And I can use my fingers for the rest of it. Get the flathead and find where I dropped it at and throw it in the bucket. So now you'll just pull this back, and the reverse light is going to be right here. You'll just need to unplug this clip, unplug that, and you'll have 3 Phillips head right around here, and then after that you'll be good to install. So like I said, you'll get your Phillips head. You'll take it and just unscrew it. Until that comes out. Now you should be able to pry this back. Take that out. And then you'll want to repeat for this one and this one. So after you get all of those taken out, you're gonna want to pull this way a little bit, but then also come from the front, hold it from behind, and apply some pressure to the front, because that lip that's back there is stuck on there, like you can see back here, but I pulled and it came off. And then you'll just take out the old one. And let's compare it to the new one. So there's the comparison of the new third brake light to the old faded red one. And this new one should go well with the Euro taillights that I have. So to put it in, you're going to want to put it in the same orientation that the old one was in there, with these lining up with the holes. So you'll just slide it in there and then come to the front so you can guide it and see where to place it. And then once you get that in there, start putting the pop clips back in. So I've got it in here, and I found that it was easiest to get the trunk in front of you, pull down, and apply some pressure here and push in at the same time, so that it came through and fully filled in this space. But then after you have all of them done, you'll take this connector and just plug it back in. It's hard to do one-handed while I'm recording, but you get the idea. You'll plug this in, and then after that, you're all done. So after you've got everything plugged up, you'll take your trunk liner and get that trunk cable back through the hole. It's a bit tricky to do and record at the same time. And we'll just pop right back into that hole. And then you'll slide the trunk release through that hole. Push it against it and start popping in all your pop clips. And after that, you are completely done. Here is the finished product. It looks amazing compared to the dull faded red, and especially paired with those Euro taillights. It really just looks good. It completes the rear end of this car. Now I'll go get in the car and show what the third brake light looks like. I'll just turn it on.